You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is the capital city of Slovenia, the country. Okay, so in Slovenian it said something along the lines of Ljubljana, Ljubljana. So you sort of have a bit of a specific bl sound that doesn't really exist in English. So in English it's generally said as Ljubljana. Okay, so you just replace the J's with an E sound. Ljubljana. Okay, Ljubljana. Yeah, it's easy. Ljubljana, and that's actually close enough to Slovenian. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.